Hi, I'm Henry. Today I'm going to show you what our fittings look like that comes on our JoJo tanks. So all our standard water tanks come with a 40mm female fitting. It's got two parts. The one part pushes through from the inside of the tank with a rubber seal. On the outside it's got a back nut that tightens the wrong way around. This would be the fitting that's installed in the tank. It's already got a tap and a reducer in it. What sometimes happens, if it gets a knock or something happens that it loosens a little bit, it might leak some water from the bottom, and then obviously it doesn't seal and you lose some water. Let me show you how to fix that. What you would do if you've already got a tap and everything installed, you can just pull the whole fitting towards yourself and tighten this fitting wrong way around. You can use a water pump pliers just for that last little bit to tighten it. If the whole fitting needs to be replaced because it doesn't stop leaking, you can contact the JoJo representative or the office that's closest to you.